So this question asks, what does the limit as x approaches infinity of f of x over g of x equals 0 tell us about the functions f and g? So this is more of a conceptual question until you pick some functions for f and g, and that's what you should do for questions like this. So I would say, first of all, choose some arbitrary functions, whatever you want to pick for f and g. And then step number 2, use those functions in the limit and see if the equation is true. If the equation is false, then you have to pick some different functions to make the limit as x approaches infinity of f of x over g of x equals 0 be true. So I picked two functions here. F of x equals x and g of x equals e to the x. And as x approaches infinity, x will approach infinity and e to the x will also approach infinity. But e to the x approaches infinity faster than x, because as you can see on the graph right here, x approaches infinity, but e to the x approaches infinity faster, which means the denominator is going to be growing faster than the numerator. And so whenever the denominator grows faster than the numerator, it always approaches 0, because you're having a number be consistently divided by an even bigger number. If you had the limit as x approaches infinity where the limit equaled infinity, that would mean that the numerator is growing faster than the denominator, because you always have a big number being divided by a smaller number. And if both of those numbers approach infinity, the numerator is never going to be smaller than the denominator. So for this example, the limit as x approaches infinity of f of x over g of x equals 0 tells us that g of x grows faster than f of x as x goes to infinity. I hope that was clear. Thank you.